morning, students of standard 4th. Today we are going to do Maths Magic workbook chapter number 13, Fills and Fancies. Fills and Fancies. You have to complete this in the workbook as you know this chapter from the link. Fills and Fancies. Which of the following fields has the longest boundary? Which has the longest boundary? You have to find out from this 6 meter, 6 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. So you have to add all these things. So this field A equals to 22 meter. Field B, add all these meters. Here also it will be 22 meters. In field C, 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is 21 meter. And here 6, 6, 4 and 7, that is 23 meter. You have to add all the meters. Now after completing addition, write down perimeter of field A 22 meter, B again 22 meter, C 21 meter and D 23 meter. So the field with the longest boundary is field D, that is 23 meter. Now turn your page. If the cost of fencing is rupees 25 per meter, how much does it cost to fence the fields? You have to find out the costing of field A, B, C and D. Cost of fencing field A, that is 22 meter from the given diagram back side, 22 meter. So multiply 25 per meter into 22, you will get rupees 550. Cost of fencing field B, that is also 22 meter, so rupees 550, same as field A. Cost of fencing field C, 21 meter into 25, you will get answer 525 rupees. Cost of fencing field D, that is 23 meter into 25 per meter, rupees 575. Find the meter of the following squares whose sides measuring. Perimeter you have to find out of the square. Squares have 4 sides. So 5 centimeter into 4, 20 centimeter. 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28 centimeter. 10 into 4, 10 4s are 40 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are given. Here the formula is 2L plus B. Length equals to 7 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. 2L plus B, that's the formula of perimeter of rectangle. 2, 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 12s are 24 centimeter. Length 12 centimeter. 2 12 plus 8, that is 2 into 20, 40 centimeter. After that, length is 15 centimeter. 15 plus 10, 25, and 25 twos are 50 centimeter square. Here in worksheet A, find the boundary of the following figures. Here you know that boundary in square there is 4 sides. So 4 4s are 16. 6 side, 5 6 are 30. 4 sides again, 2 4s are 8. 3 sides, 6 3s are 18. And 5 4s are 20 plus 1 meter of the 4 sides, so 24 meter. Answer the following. Find the boundary around the square field of 13 meter and 65 centimeter. 13 meter and 65 centimeter. First you have to convert 13 meter into centimeter. That's 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 13 meter equals to 13 into 100, 1300 centimeter. 1300 plus 65, 1365. Boundary 13.65 into 4 sides. That is your 54 meter and 60 centimeter is the answer. Find the distance around a rectangular table of length 50 centimeter and width of 20 meter. Rectangular length 2L plus B means 250 centimeter and width 20 meter. 2 into 70. 72 is 140 centimeter. C. Find the length of barbed wire required to go around 4 times a rectangular field 63 meter and width of 35 meter. Perimeter formula 2L plus B, 2, 63 plus 35, that is 2 into 98. 98 to the 196 meter. Now you have to go 4 times. So 196 into 4, your answer will be 784 meter. A square garden is 200 meter long. How much wire will be needed for fencing around it 3 times? 200 meter long. One time fencing will need 200. So into 4 means 800 meter. 800 meter you have to multiply it 3 times. You will get answer 2400 meter. Shika bought a roll of lace of 20 meter. She stitches it around 5 rectangular tablecloths of length 1 meter 5 centimeter and breadth of 75 centimeter. What length of the lace will be left? You have to add, and after that you have to do this multiplication. You will get the answer. Same as question number 5 you have also to do, and question 6 not written. So students, complete this in your workbook. Thank you.